Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to post a job on Craigslist. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in craigslist.org and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Craigslist website. Now if you haven't logged into your account already, click on the account icon at the top right corner and proceed forward with your credentials. After you are logged in using your email address and your password, you will end up within the home page once again. Now, if you wish to post a job, then click on the Post an Ad option and you will be asked to choose the city or region where you would like to post this ad. After choosing the region, click on the Continue button and then choose the job offered category. Then choose the sector or category within which this job is to be posted. Then enter your posting title for your ad. After entering your title, post the city or neighborhood and enter the zip code as well. Then enter the description of your job. Make sure to include as much details as possible and then choose the employment type, whether it is a full-time, a part-time, or any other kind. Then choose other details, whether it is an internship, a non-profit organization, and if any of the other categories are met. Then enter the job title, followed by the compensation or the salary that you are offering. Finally, enter the company name and then choose your email privacy option. You can choose to show your real email address or have the mails relayed by Craigslist. If you wish to show your phone number, click on Show My Phone Number and then enter your phone number followed by your contact name. After entering all of your information, click on the Continue button and now you can add any image of your company or any relevant image for the job posting. Finally, click on the Done with Images button and now make sure all of the details are correct and click on the Publish button. And now your job advertisement will be posted on your Craigslist account right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to post a job ad on Craigslist. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.